u doctor don kuparoi ul ong ya kani habon ra ya call attention motion hakasi balang jangtio hakasi khadu jang darbar mangtengka halo ka jingtur ki khar Bangladesh ban thangi ka briso jangki brio hanong trai hakatio baladam utai unomik man ka shela ulkun paro ya ka jinglingo bani I bakshi pai BSF ki kenno penban ni trash nong hanong trai ba ka jingplu ki briso ka dei ka jingthang klau hi jangki pai ba ulo ong dak ba penrap ru baki BSF ki de ban tip baki brio shariwar kim jurap sharti Shushu lo angru baka jingwan tur ki khar Bangladesh ki chakarem ki brio khaput khamtam hanong trai kamdeshu kasin kabanikong handai dang kuma shisnam mensuali le ki wantur rengkat ki tiar siat bathu ban grup sundan ya kasnong trai na kalyang ikong Roshan Warji menteri ka kampoi yang habu jawab yakani lo ong bak sarkar ka thungi ka jitoket halo kani ka jingja bat hadien blayo ka report jingtoket onsale ka badon kam nakbanta ka jingsio handai nakbanta ka jingpara ka sarkar la ka pantep lu yakani shau IG jong BSF ban pej ba kibrio khaput kimdei ban chap ndek ekibrio ki banabar
the first instance where the non-tribe people suffer at the hands of the Bangladeshis. It happened many times in the past, and I recall 1 year ago, not even 1 year, more than 100 Bangladeshis, fully armed, tried to enter non-tribe village with the intention to attack the village itself. We have met the IG BSF, the commandant of BSF, informing him of the need to have a better patrolling in that area and also to expedite the construction of the fencing. But it appears nothing could be done. Nothing had been done. When report came out in the media, or the press, sometimes and others, of the incidents where migrants burned the crops, it is surprising to see that the BSF blamed the local people, saying because of Jhum cultivation, the fire have spread to other areas. So I tell you, in my area and that area, there's no Jhum cultivation. People in the border area, where they plant areca nut, citrus fruits and others, they never do Jhum cultivation. I don't know why the BSF blame the local people on the reason which is not factual. I would therefore request the government, through you, sir, to take all possible steps to ensure that from now on, Bangladeshis should not be able to enter in that area. If the BSF fail to do it, let them tell frankly, our people could defend themselves with the permission of the government. We could utilize our boys to take up guns if necessary. We used to do in the past like that. Sir, why take up this call attention? My intention is that we should be able to ensure that the BSF and the state police should take up all necessary steps to ensure that from now on we should not see this type of incidents took place in the border areas. And secondly, the government should try to assist the people of that area. I know in what way to financially help them, to enable them to get some sort of compensation and also to replant their crops in that area, sir. This is my intention of calling this call attention notice, sir.
Sir, the Honorable Leader of the Opposition has also mentioned about financial assistance to be extended to the people. So as soon as the cases have been registered and the Deputy Commissioner also has ordered an inquiry, and the report is being awaited, sir. Follow-up action would be taken after the report of the inquiry is received. The IG of the BSF also has been informed about these incidents, and sir, for the information of the Honorable Leader of the Opposition and the House, sir, meetings of district magistrates and deputy commissioners of border districts of Bangladesh and Meghalaya are being held periodically, and the last meeting was held on the 11th to the 13th of January 2015, where all important issues such as these, the illegal trespass, smuggling narcotics, etc., are being discussed, and exchange of information regarding such crimes and incidents were also discussed. Government encourages and makes it a point to see that such interactions between these two district authorities of both sides at regular intervals, as this can go a long way in dealing with the problems of cross-border crimes and infiltrations. So as soon as the inquiry report is being submitted to the government, sir, we will examine, and all points that have been raised by the Honourable Leader of the Opposition has been noted down, sir, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you, sir.